Hello my dear students, I am fine and I hope that all of you will be fine. Dear students, I am going to teach you today a very important topic. The name of the topic is our internal organs. As its name is organs. So, I will first discuss with you about organs. What are organs? Dear students, I hope you must have read in your science book about living and non-living things. All living things are made up of cells. Or we can also say that the cell is the smallest unit of living beings. That is, you have learned about living things. Living things. These all living things are made up of cells. This name you must have heard. If not, then you come to know about it. It is the very smallest unit of a living being. You have read plants, animals, human beings. These all are living beings. So, in all, cell present. The smallest unit of the living being is called cells. You will read in your science book later on that cells, the living beings are of two types, unicellular or multicellular. Unicellular means a living being which being only one cell, and multicellular means a living being having more than one cell. Okay, and these cells combine together to form tissue. These cells combine together to form tissue, and tissue combine together to form organs. Tissues combine together to form organs, and we are going to learn about organs. And these organs are of two types, external organs and internal organs. Here I am writing external and internal. Now we will come to about external organs and internal organs. An organ of our body that can be seen by us called external organs. As you know about our sense organs that you have read in your previous classes, that we have 5 sense organs: eye, nose, ear, tongue and our skin. And I hope all these sense organs you must see. You can see our eye, you can see nose, you can see ear, you can see tongue, and you also can see skin. So these are the organs of our body which are called external organs. Apart from them, there are so many organs present inside our body, and these organs are called internal organs. And our today's topic is about this, our internal organs. So I hope you understood about organs, that many tissues combine together to form organs, and organs are of two types, external and internal. Now you all open your book. There are some internal organs shown by picture, and some information given by them. We have to read the information, and from the clues we have to choose the correct name for the internal organ. All of you keep book in front of you, and I am going to read the first one. You will read also, and you will search from clue box the name of that particular organ. The first one is here. It is inside our head. It controls every function which the body does. It is our brain. So the first one answer is. So the first one answer is here. Brain. Now the second is, they are two in number and help in breathing. The lungs is the internal organ of our body which helps in breathing. So the second number answer will be lungs. Okay. Now the third one is here. This is the important organ of the body, beats day and night. It pumps blood to different parts of the body. So this organ is known as heart. It is very much important organ of our body, and these two organs, that is lungs and heart, are protected by our rib cage. These are under the rib cage and protected by it. So the third one is the organ internal of the body which beats day and night and pumps blood to the different parts of the body. And the name of this organ is heart. Okay. Now the fourth one. This organ produces a liquid in the body which helps in digestion. It is the largest internal organ, and the name of this organ is liver. The fourth one is liver. So this is the organ which is the largest internal organ of our body, and in an adult the weight of this organ is from 1.2 to 1.5 kg. So it is the heaviest organ also of our body. Okay. The next one is given here. This organ stores food in the body. The first part of digestion is done here, and from picture and the information it is clear that this part is, or this organ is called a stomach. So fifth number is here, a stomach. And the last one, the sixth number, this bean-shaped organ filters out waste material from the blood, and the name of this organ is kidney. So kidney is the organ in our body which filters out the blood. Okay. So the name of this one is kidney. In our body, only these many organs, internal organ systems are not. There are so many other organ systems also present. But in your book, only given this these organs, so I have discussed. Apart from these organs, we have a small intestine, we have large intestine. Okay. Then you will read about these organ system in higher classes when you study more about science. Okay. So I hope you understood today's class about our internal organs. Students, be safe, take care of yourself also at home and study well. So thank you for today's class. Bye.